Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions. Hope you all good. Today I am going to show you how you can remove the irregularities from your skin. So I am not joking. This is very simple. Step 1. Take a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Then change the blending mode to vivid light. Then invert it by pressing Ctrl or Command I. Now go to Filter, Other, High Pass, and adjust when the irregularities are blurred. I think this is fine. Now go to again filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and adjust it when the textures shows up. I think this is fine. Now take a layer mask with negative by pressing Alt plus mask. Take brush tool and done. And guys, boom, we all done. Thank you.